Welcome to our programming channel. Today we will see encapsulation in C Sharp. Encapsulation. Need of encapsulation. Why called it as encapsulation? If there is direct access to member variables, then there may be chances of alteration of code and accidental corruption. So, in encapsulation, by defining the class fields with properties, we can protect the data from accidental corruption. In this way, data protected from outside classes or from members which are present outside the class. So it is called as encapsulation. We have class sandwich center and string variable sandwich name, double variable sandwich price. We have created object. Now with object we can access sandwich name and sandwich price. We have given the name cheese sandwich and price 50.50. If we see the output, sandwich name is equal to cheese sandwich and price is equal to 50.50. Till now there is no problem. But if we give the name in this way and price 0, then also we can see sandwich name is equal to 50 and price rupees 0. If we give only space here and here, we get sandwich name is equal to space and price rupees minus 1000.50. If user makes these kinds of mistakes, then wrong values can be stored directly in these variables. And because of these silly mistakes, there may be chances of corruption of data. And if data related to amount price get corrupted, then there will be a huge problem. So to avoid this, the concept of encapsulation required. Encapsulation is a process of binding the data members and member functions into a single unit. In class, there are various types of data members and member functions. So, class can be example of encapsulation. In encapsulation, the member variables of a class are private and most of the member methods are public. In encapsulation, we make these public variables as private. Now we cannot access these variables from outside or from other class. Now user cannot access these variables directly. So now there must be some public methods to access these variables indirectly. Now the data members or variables are private and the member functions or methods are public, and these are bind in a single unit. Encapsulation is a concept to make all data private. Then the encapsulated class will not allow us to access the fields directly. We need to use getter and setter functions to read or write data based on our requirements. These getters and setters can be our own defined functions or properties with get and set. Now we have created our own methods to set the value and to get the value. In set sandwich name method, through parameters, we set the value to variables, and in get sandwich name, we get the value sandwich name and sandwich price. Now we can access only get sandwich name and set sandwich name. Sandwich name is grilled sandwich and price is 750. Because of encapsulation, the first benefit is member variables cannot be accessed directly. So member variables get protected from outside classes. Second benefit is the member variables can access indirectly through public getSet methods. And in these public getSet methods, we can make validations. And because of these validations, there may be no chances or very less chances accidental corruption of data. In set sandwich name method, first we check if a is not equal to null and a is not equal to string empty, a is not equal to space, then value of a can be set in sandwich name variable. Otherwise, sandwich name cannot be empty. Like this, if b greater than 0 and b is not equal to 0, then only the value of b can set in sandwich price variable. Otherwise, sandwich price cannot be empty. Like this, in get sandwich name method, if sandwich name is not equal to null and sandwich price is not equal to 0, then only display this line or sentence. If we comment this and if we pass here space and 0, then we get the output sandwich name cannot be empty, sandwich price cannot be empty. And if we give proper parameters, then sandwich name is grilled sandwich and price is 70.50. Thus, through validation in public getSet method, we can protect our data from accidental corruption in encapsulation. This is the main benefit of encapsulation. We have seen encapsulation with getSet methods, and we can make encapsulation with getSet property also. We see this example with getSet property. Here our variables are private. We have function sandwich name new, where we have getSet property for sandwich name. In set property, value set to sandwich name variable, and in get property, return sandwich name. We have public function sandwich price new. In set property, value set to sandwich price variable, and in get property returns sandwich price. Here we can able to access only public functions sandwich name new and sandwich price new. Here sandwich name grilled sandwich and price 70.50. Sandwich name is grilled sandwich. Price is 70.50. This is the simple example of encapsulation with getSet property. Encapsulated classes are easier to change. We can change privacy of data by changing access modifiers only. Thus, encapsulation protects data from being corrupted and also makes code less complex, maintainable, and flexible. If there is a requirement to make these variables public, then we can make these variables public. So there is no need to change the code at many places. We just need to change the access modifiers. So this will help in case of maintenance. Thus, encapsulation makes code less complex, maintainable, and flexible. So that's all for encapsulation in C#. Thanks for watching.